Karate class. Mummy Papa observed that for the past few days, Gattu and Chinky were not utilizing their time properly. So finally one day Papa said to Gattu Chinky, Gattu Chinky, I have been observing for a while. You have a lot of free time, but you are not utilizing it properly.
What do you mean by that, Papa?
Means you should learn something when you have free time.
But Papa, what we can do in this spare time? Well, I think both of you should join karate classes. Recently I saw that new karate classes have opened near our house.
Yes, that's a very good idea. You both will be active and you will become stronger too.
What? But why, Papa? Why do we even need to join the karate classes? Yes, Mummy, Papa. It doesn't sound like a fun at all. Playing at home will be better than going to karate classes. No, Chinky. You guys have to learn how to utilize your time properly. This attitude won't work.
That day they stopped the discussion at that point. But the next day also, Mummy and Papa asked Gattu and Chinky to join the karate classes again. Gattu and Chinky tried to give many excuses to avoid joining that class.
Mummy, today we got a lot of homework, so today I can't go to the classes. Yes, Mummy, I also have to complete my school project. It is not possible for me also.
In this way, 1 week passed, but Gattu Chinky never ran out of excuses. Finally, Papa and Mummy tried to explain Gattu and Chinky once again. Kids, why you don't want to go to karate class?
Yes, Gattu Chinky, what is the real problem? Mummy, we don't feel like going to karate classes. We think that we will get bored in that class.
No, Chinky, it is not true. Do you guys even know what the benefits of learning karate are?
What? Benefits? What benefits, Papa?
Children, be it karate or any other form of martial art, you will get to learn many things from it. It will teach you discipline and you will become strong. And not only that, your body will become more flexible. Gattu and Chinky were listening to Papa carefully.
Apart from that, it will also give you strength. Gattu Chinky, you guys will get many benefits from learning karate. Do one thing. You guys watch 2-4 movies based on karate. What? Is karate so special that some movies are also made on that topic?
Of course, Chinky. Karate is a very special martial art. And people are learning and using it since ancient times.
Yes, kids. In earlier times, it was very important to learn such martial arts. Even people living normal life also learn this art. You guys will see. After learning this art, you will be more confident. Alright, Mummy Papa, if you insist so much, then we will join the karate classes. Yes, Gattu is right. We will definitely give it a try for 2-3 days. And then we will tell you how we feel about going to the karate classes.
Order now from puntunkids.com and get a free Rakhi.
Next day, Papa took the admission for Gattu and Chinky to a nearby karate class. And he also bought karate uniforms for both of them. Gattu Chinky got ready.
Chinky, you look so funny in this uniform. Gattu, you are also looking very funny, really. Wow, Gattu Chinky, you guys look like professional karate students in this uniform. All the best and enjoy your first karate class a lot.
Thank you so much, Mummy.
Oh, Chinky, look, there are so many kids in the class. I never thought that there will be so many children over here. Yes, Gattu, and many kids are even younger than us. Does people really like learning karate so much? I'm already feeling excited seeing all this. Yes, Chinky, me too. I don't know how will we perform today.
Then Gattu Chinky's karate teacher came over there and he explained the basics of karate to them. Then he made them do some exercises. Then a trained student came and according to his teacher's command, he broke the board into 2 parts. Gattu and Chinky were impressed. After some time, the classes were over and Papa came to pick them up. So kids, how was your first karate class? Did you guys enjoy the class?
Papa, there were so many kids in the class. Our karate teacher is very strict and disciplined. And Chinky, do you remember the kid that broke the board? I am still very impressed with it. I also want to do it. Oh yes, you know Papa, one student broke a wooden board very easily. He was really very strong.
That's nothing, Gattu Chinky. If you regularly attend karate classes, then you will also be able to do it.
What? Really, Papa? We will really become that strong, Papa?
Of course, dear. You just have to attend the classes regularly. So will you go?
Yes, Papa. We will definitely go. I also want to be that strong.
Papa was very happy after hearing that Gattu and Chinky are finally enjoying their karate classes. After going home, they also told Mummy about what happened in the class. And they also agreed to regularly attend the class without giving any excuses.
Very good, Gattu Chinky. See, I didn't tell you that you will really enjoy going to karate classes? Yes, Mummy, we enjoyed it a lot. Yes, Mummy, we really like it very much. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.